Everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick back with day 20 of my 31-day series of how to get your yarn organized for the upcoming year. So this idea is from Kate on Instagram. Not really sure, that's all that she listed on the Pinterest board for her name, so I'm not really sure how to find her on Instagram. But the idea is really, really a good one. So this is kind of along the shoe rack storage idea. There's a permanent shoe rack storage unit on the back of the door. And instead of storing shoes in it, she has wedged in the different skeins of yarn. Now, something that's really nice about this is it seems to be big enough to hold those extra large skeins of the bulky weight yarn. So that's a really nice thing, because a lot of these yarn storage ideas are fine for regular size skeins, but maybe not quite big enough for the bigger size. Yeah, so if you really like those bigger skeins, this might be perfect for you. Now you're going to want to make sure that you have enough clearance to get the door open, but then again, sometimes our yarn is a higher priority than our room size and whether or not we can open a door. Maybe we'd just rather be trapped in the room with all the yarn, right? Okay, everybody, I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you tomorrow for day 21. It's going by so fast.